So if you are genuinely with someone whose power of negativity is stronger than your power to hold your center, or even more imaginary, to convert them to your vibration, run away as fast as you can in whatever way you can. Just run away. Put distance between you, because you can't just allow yourself to be overwhelmed. If you can't run away, then run away inwardly. And don't engage. Don't converse. And I'm going to even add something else. Don't pray for these people even. You end up entangled with someone whose energy is much more negative than yours is positive. Don't make a link. Just say to Divine Mother once, your problem, too big for me. Humility is self-honesty. This is too big for me. Freely and happily admit it. And don't feel that spiritual truth demands that you pretend. You have to be absolutely authentic.